Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the electrical and mechanical checks that save time later. First, verify the car battery is 12V and that the door fuse is intact. A weak battery mimics switch failure. Once power is confirmed, remove the inner door panel carefully, unscrew visible fasteners, pry clips with a trim tool, and unplug the switch harness. Make sure to support the panel to avoid tearing connectors. Now expose the actuator, wiring, and linkage so you can test the actual lock mechanism and locate the fault. Now you diagnose whether the problem is the switch, actuator, or wiring. Backprobe the switch connector and press the button while checking for continuity. No continuity means a faulty switch. Next, momentarily apply 12V to the actuator. If it moves smoothly, the actuator is good. If it binds or is silent, replace it. While testing, inspect the wiring for intermittent breaks or corroded pins because a loose ground or chafed wire can mimic a bad actuator. Make methodical notes on once you know the failed component, perform the repair. Replace the switch or actuator with an OEM or high-quality aftermarket unit and secure any damaged wiring with solder and heat shrink. Reconnect the harness, temporarily fit the door panel, and cycle the lock 10 times to verify consistent function before tightening screws. If intermittent issues continue, check the body control module output and trace harness continuity to the module. Also scan for stored codes. A single troubleshooting tip: wobble connectors while powering to reveal intermittent contact problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.